Hey everyone! In this video, I want to show you 2 ways how you can take music from a computer and put it onto your iPhone. Sometimes we have music outside of iTunes that you didn't purchase through iTunes. Then we can transfer them from a computer to an iPhone. Let's talk about the first method through iTunes. Here we need 2 steps. Now I'll show you how to do that. Here on my desk, there are 3 pieces of music on my computer and I would like to put them on my phone. The very first step is you'll need to have iTunes on your computer and assure that you have the latest iTunes version. Download iTunes into the Microsoft Store. Or you could simply go to apple.com/iTunes/download. After you finished that, come to the main page of iTunes. What we are going to do next is to connect our phone with the USB cable. Make it trust the device on your phone. The mark on the top left here indicates your phone has been successfully connected to your computer. Click this mark, and it will take you to this page. And under the options here, make sure that automatically sync is off. Go ahead. Check manually manage music and video on right here. And then we can just press the back button here to go back to the page we were on. When it's over, it will be easy for you to take the next step. Make sure you come to songs or albums or whatever you want to organize your library. And then, the songs you have in a folder or the desktop, all we need to do is select them and then just bring them right here. Then you can see those 3 songs here. As you see, they are inside of my iTunes. Now let's take these songs from iTunes to your device. All you need to do is, under the library where you added the songs, select these songs, 1 or more. Just grab and drag to this area of the iPhone and release. So now, if I come to my phone and go to music, the songs that I just added have been added. But you need to know that if you've synced your iPhone on a different iTunes, or on a different computer, it will give you a warning like this. It will replace all the iTunes songs that you have on there already. And not all the formats of your music are friendly to iTunes. So be careful and make sure your formats are okay with that before you do it. Let's now get to the second method that we can transfer your music from the computer to your iPhone just in 1 step. This method is super easy and with no limitation to your music format. I can freely transfer my music from iOS devices to your computer, iTunes or vice versa. And this is what I prefer and what I use all the time. So let me show you how you can set it up. This needs an app that called iPhone Data Transfer. It's an amazing data management software for both Windows and Mac. Download it from the description below. Physically plug the phone into the computer with a USB cable. Then the detailed information will be shown to you. What you need to do is click the music button on the left side. Here you will see all types of audio files from your phone. Click on the plus icon at the top of the software. Choose Add Files to proceed, and find the music you want to add to your phone. Then just wait a few seconds. Now come to your phone. You can find the newly added music on your iPhone. I hope you found this helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.